Hey guys, so there's a new update for Booga Booga, and I'm back with another video showing you guys some of the new tricks and tips that I found to be effective. Okay, so with the new update, which I kind of like, the only thing I can complain about is that the fish no longer spawn as fast as it once did, and it used to take like 1 second, right? It used to take only 1 second for the fish to spawn. But now it takes like 10 seconds per fish, okay? So I'm going to show you guys a really quick tip what I do so I can stockpile these fishes. And then you can put like, a campfire for like about 5 of them at a time. So you see right here, I stockpile right here, right? Okay, so here's what you do. Here's the tip, okay? So let's just say you want to stockpile the fish, okay? So let's just put one fish trap right here. Okay, so we put one right there, and now we want to put another one. So let's put it right there, and it doesn't work. Okay, so what can we do? All right, so here's the tip. Let's take off our weapon right here. Okay, and then what you do is you see these holes. You want to put them right where the hole and right where your mouse is, all right? So where your mouse is, you have to zoom in, by the way. So go ahead and zoom in, and then you're going to click right there, and there you go. It stockpiles. Okay, so like you look for the next hole. If there's no hole, then put one right next to the corner. All right, so that's how you do it. That's how you stockpile it. And then you can just put a campfire. Oh, that's a log. Put a campfire right here, and then it'll start cooking the fish. All right, so that's one tip. And then you'll need at least like 30 of these, which means that you need a lot of leaves and a lot of fish. So always be a part of a team so you guys can, build together and collect as much as you can. Okay, and so here's another thing that I also came to find out. Okay, you can actually build these walls on the water, and the way you do it is by connecting these walls to each other. Okay, so you have to connect them to each other in order for them to sit still. So you can't just put a random wall in the middle of the ocean. You have to connect them in order for it to be on the ocean, right? So like you connect it on the land first, and then you connect it out into the ocean or into the water. Okay, so that's another tip. And then with the new updates, the cool thing about it is that you have money now. Okay, so I recently just bought this helmet. It looks kind of silly on me. I don't know why I bought it, but it cost me 500 coins, and you can actually sell your items in here so that people can actually buy it. Okay, so like there's someone selling 50 cooked fish for 80 coins. You can buy a bunch of stuff here. Okay, and then once you buy it, so here's a really quick one cooked fish for 10 coins. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when I buy it. Actually, let me buy something else. I'm gonna buy 10 coal for 30 coins. All right, so let's go buy that. Let's drop one right here. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I bought it, and it spawns. Okay, so this is where it spawns. This is mine, and so when you buy it, this is where it spawns. Okay, so that's what happens, and you get it. I bought it, so that's how you do it. He's like, how did you? But anyways, that's basically how you buy the items that are in the market. And yes, you lose money, and then after that, there's also this coin maker. Okay, so what you do is you get gold from a gold rock, and they're all over the place. You can't miss it. It's like fully on gold, and you can't miss it. And so oh my god, look at all these chests. Anyways, they're gonna be, like there's a rock right here, and you get these gold ores, right? So these gold ores, and then you melt them, and then you go over here and you put them in, and it'll exchange, and you'll get 3 coins for every gold ore that you have, gold bar that you have. Okay, so that's the other thing about the update. And you can also buy the gold if you want. So right here it says 200 gold for 150 Robux. I actually got 200 gold really easy. So it depends up to you whether you want to buy them. And you get cool little hats like this, right? So I wanted to buy this one. I don't know why I bought the other one, but I wanted to buy the Dark Wanderer or the King's Crown, which is pretty cool. But I'll have to save up a lot for that. So that is part of the update. Also new weapons, right? So new weapons we have right here. We have also you can actually build the market too with 6 logs and 3 stones. So here's the new armor, right? So we have the Adderite bag, the Adderite greaves, helmets, and then chest plates, right? So I got the new everything. So this is what it looks like with everything. And once you put the helmet on, people can't actually see you wear it because you have this hat on top of it. Okay, so let's take that off, and then we can take off the armor. But as far as armor goes, I think it's only one. Like it only does it has like one more defense point compared to the steel armor. So it really depends on what you're willing to pay, or are you willing to craft these items, because I know it's kind of hard to get Adderite. But anyways, after that, I'm going to show you guys another cool thing. If you guys don't already know, there are portals. Okay, so there are like special caves that you can go in, and you can get like EXP. So like this guy right here, he gives you cool EXP. He's like the spirit. He's a lost soul spirit and snow, I think. Let me see, the Shelly spirit. Okay, so there you go. You just kill him and you get EXP points. So up here, the sun thing is actually your EXP. So like if you get to 100, you get about 100. You level up. Okay, so here's the cave. So you jump down into this water tunnel right here, and this is on that remote island right next to the sky island. Okay, so the sky base. Okay, so that's where you want to go ahead and go to get to this place. Okay, so when we go in here, oh, there's actually people in here. I don't know what they did, why they put a wall up, but anyways, you go here and there's actually gold nodes like right here, right? So this is what gives you those gold ores. Okay, so every one of these that you kill, you get about 9 coins. Okay, so you get gold ore, and then you get 3 coins for each. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab. Let me just kill it and grab it. So let's kill this. All right, grab it. There you go, grabbed it. And then we can go over here, and then once we go, oh, and that's the O God, and that gives you EXP, right? So it just drops a bunch of essence, and then you pick up those essence, and then you get everything. Okay, and then over here there's also a gold node right here, so that's where you can get the gold coins as well. So they're all over the place. You can make money. I'm planning on actually building a lot of weapons and like armor, and I'm gonna be selling it to people. I want to do that and make money that way, because mining these gold nodes actually take quite a bit of time to do. So I want to just play the game, craft armor items, and sell it to people. Okay, and then here's the other tunnel right here. All right, so there's also Oh God right here, and you can actually kill it, and there's also Adderite that you can get. And a lot of what I do with my teammates is actually build a base linking the 2 portals, and basically we take control over it. And so if anyone tries to intrude, and that's the way out. And so when you come out, you're going to be at that spot, and we're back at base. And so that is what I do. Okay, so I like to build a base with my team, linking the 2 portals, and just maximizing what we came to do. And we need to build armor so we can go raid. And so like I said, like the fish is really hard to get, right? So that means that raiding is going to be much harder. Back then I can get like 400 fish easily. Now it's like going to take me some time to build up my arsenal, and so that I can get my inventory, so I can get some, so I can get ready for war, So that's the thing, okay? And then you can also use steel, a steel battle axe. You can use that, but I prefer to use the warhammer. They actually do much more damage. I tested it out. The steel battle axe only does 20 damage, and the warhammer actually does 28 damage. Okay, so that is a huge difference, but it will make all the difference in the world, though. So when you go to war, it's gonna be so much better. And I have 3 of them, so I'm planning on selling a couple of these. Anyways, that is the update, guys. I hope I didn't miss anything, but if you guys have any questions regarding the update or anything else besides or in regards to the game, just let me know. I absolutely love this game. It's so much fun, especially when you play it with other people, with your friends and stuff. And so anyways, I hope this helps you guys, and thanks for watching. And by the way, you can also build this dock so you don't have to walk on the water. Anyways, thanks for watching, and have a good one. Bye.